JPX team has challenged me to divide up all of these diamonds into their respective categories because I'm a little bit anal about, is it a step cut, a mixed cut, a brilliant round cut, or a brilliant modified cut? Challenge accepted. We're going to start with the brilliant round cut. Everything that is brilliant round or modified brilliant round, we're going to put over there. This is an old mine cut. That is going to stump me. That is kind of in its own category. That doesn't fall into my three categories. Trillion cut is a triangular shaped stone that is cut in a brilliant modified style. This is an Asher cut, that is step cut. This is a baguette, that's kind of almost the most basic cut. This is a carré cut, as the French might say. That is a step cut. Emerald cut is the same as an Asher, but elongated, or rather. This is radiant cut. Radiant cut's kind of cool. It's almost like a baron cut or a brilliant cut bottom with a hybrid emerald cut top. A traditional radiant cut has scissoring facet that you might see on the top of a brilliant round on the crown. And then it has an emerald cut step cut around the edge. There's a mixed cut on the crown, which is the top of the stone. And the bottom is a true brilliant cut, more like a baron cut because it's pushed onto a square surface. That's kind of the most annoying and complicated one. We're going to put that in mixed cuts over here. This is a princess cut, which is also called a baron cut, and a princess cut is a modified brilliant on a round because the top facets are scissored. If the facets cross over, that is an indicator that that is a brilliant style cut, and that is the brilliant style crown. Plus, all of the facets come to one point. That must go on this corner. Another emerald cut. This is a cushion cut. Cushion cut is a modified brilliant round on a cushion shape. Oval cut is a modified brilliant round. This is a Portuguese style cut. You've got a checkerboard or Portuguese style. That goes in the miscellaneous bucket. Marquee is a modified brilliant round or a modified brilliant cut on that particular shape. That is a brilliant round. And this one, this looks like a radiant cut, but it's actually an elongated cushion cut because these surfaces are round. The only difference between this and the radiant is it doesn't have step cut edges and it's not square. All of these cuts can actually go to the mixed cut pile if they're sapphires. Typically the bottom is step cut and the top is brilliant cut, and that's what we call a mixed cut. And that would give you the best color depth. For colored stones, you need a fat belly in the stone because the deeper the stone, the more color you get. These could be a mixed cut if you needed them to be. You can't brilliant cut a step cut. If you do, then it becomes a modified brilliant. If you were to brilliant cut all of these square shapes, they would become cushion or princess cut or elongated princess cut or potentially radiant cut. Have I done a decent job? That's a yes.